Welcome to Harmony's Music Adventures, where music is everywhere.
Hi friends, I'm Harmony, and music is everywhere.
Today we are going to Grand Pappy's house. Let's go. Hey, Grand Pappy.
Howdy, Harmony.
What's that sound?
That sound is bullfrogs and crickets. But if you listen, they sound a lot like my steel guitar.
Out on the porch on a warm summer night, Grand Pappy's playing by the pale moonlight. 6 silver strings and a shiny steel bar, the sweetest sound from near or far. He don't press down, he slides along. That's how the steel guitar sings its song. Bend it up high or take it down low. Listen to those notes go. Slide and glide on the steel guitar. 6 little strings like a shooting star. Weep and twang and bend and sing. Listen to the music that those strings bring. Slide and glide. Slide and glide. Let it ride. Grand Pappy steel guitar. The frogs on the farm go low and slow. The crickets up high put on a show. Grand Pappy listens then plays it back. Steel bar sliding down the track. He don't press down, he slides along. That's how the steel guitar sings its song. Bend it up high or take it down low.